Hello everybody. Another kind of way to interact with the user, for example, is something called toasts. Toasts are these very short messages that you can display to the user. They display for some time and then they disappear, right? It's very simple. So some people even use them to get the user attention for a very short amount of time and just to notify them, hey, the internet is down, for example, or we are reloading the page or something, right? So basically, toasts are very simple also to use. If you type here toast, and you could see that I can create a toast using a template. So basically I can create it using a template, and basically the toast requires a context, and whenever you need a context you could use the activity itself as the context. The activity actually extends the context. So this app compact activity. So basically what's going on here is that our main activity extends an app compact activity, which is a compatibility version of the activity class. And we'll look deeply at the activity class in a little bit. But the app compact activity is an activity, right? And then basically what happens is that this activity actually extends the context at some stage. So basically when you say this, actually the activity is a context. Now, how do I know this? I could also look at, you could say a code and then you override methods. Very nice. So now it shows you all the history. So basically I go here, you could see that it app compat, and also there is app fragment. This is all the ancestry of this, right? And there is activity, theme wrapper, context wrapper, and you could see at the bottom is context. And then of course before context is object, and everything goes back to the capital O object. But you could see that the activity at some stage is an extension of the context. So basically that's why when the toast requires a context, so if you say toast.makes text, and you could see that it needs a context, right? See here, if I expand this a little bit, you see that it requires a context, comma, some kind of a string or an ID of a string, and we'll look at that in a little bit. But then also the duration, how long it will show up, right? So basically that's also possible if you just type toast, T-O-S-T, and then tab, and it will show you this is to refer to the activity, which is a context. And then here I'll say testing toasts, here it is. And then you could have a toast.short, or you could have a length which is long, whatever you like it to do. So now when you run this, you will see that the app will run, and you will see that there is a toast message that appears here. You could see the toast message, and then it disappears. So that's all because I used the long. I could use also the short. It will display for a shorter amount of time, and when you run it, you will see that here is the toast, and it will disappear a little bit quicker. So that is how you can create toasts. Very simple. You can display some information to the user using the toasts, and the students find it very helpful when they are also debugging their code. So please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.